In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default search engine to Google in the Brave mobile browser. If you prefer Google's results but you're using Brave on your phone, this quick walkthrough will make sure your address bar searches go straight to Google instead of Brave search. The process is the same idea on both iOS and Android, though the menus might look a little different. Start by opening the Brave browser on your mobile device. Look for the three-dot menu. On Android, it's typically at the top right. On iPhone, you might see it at the bottom or top depending on your toolbar layout. Tap that menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap Search Engine. This is where Brave controls what powers searches from the address bar, also known as the Omnibox. Inside the search engine screen, you'll see options separated into two sections, Standard and Private. Standard covers your regular tabs, and while Private applies to private browsing tabs. In the Standard section, select Google from the list. That's it for regular browsing. If you also use private tabs and want the same behavior there, switch over to the private section and choose Google again. Setting both ensures that whether you're in a normal tab or a private one, your address bar searches will go to Google. A quick note on what this setting changes. It only affects searches you type into the address bar. It doesn't replace search boxes built into websites themselves. It also doesn't turn off Brave's privacy features. Brave will continue blocking trackers and enforcing its protections while using Google as your search provider. If the layout looks slightly different on your device, don't worry, just look for the search engine option within Settings. And if you don't immediately see Google listed, make sure your Brave app is up to date, as providers can vary by region and version. To confirm everything worked, open a new tab and type a simple query into the address bar, something like today's weather. When the results load, you should see Google's results page and branding. If you still land on Brave Search, revisit the search engine screen and double-check that Google is selected for both standard and, if you use it, private tabs. You can switch back at any time by returning to Settings and choosing a different provider. That's all you need to route your address bar searches to Google and Brave, on mobile, quickly and reliably. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing with the search results you prefer.